Hey there everyone, welcome back. Today we are in Phoenix, Arizona at Destination RV. We are going to look at a east to west Della Terra. This is the model number 261BH. Let's take a look. So we like to start up front with the storage. As you can see, there is a generous storage compartment for all your bins and things. Love that. And I love that they have some hooks for you to hang up your crank down jacks.
Me too. That's nice.
And even though it's electric jacks, they still have the crank just in case you have to do it manually.
Love it.
If you look up, there's an awning that covers about 75% of the side, which is great. We are dual axle. There's outside Furrion speakers. You got a step above step. This is also got a heated underbelly, which is nice.
Oh, very nice.
That is 4-season rated. You got a black tank flush over here, as well as a spray port. Moving around to the back, your spare tire is mounted there for easy access. Pre-wire for a Furrion backup camera. As you see, there's no ladder permanently there, but you do have the Lippert ladder on the go system that comes with it, which is great. Moving around to the other side, your power connection is right here at the very back, as well as your sewer connection. There is a secondary sewer connection right here. As we move into the front compartment, this is the other side of your storage and your water bay. And so you would connect your city water here, which comes up through here. So if there's any leaks, it would drip out to the outside. Let's take a look at the numbers, Lisa.
Sure.
This has a gross vehicle weight of 9,575 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 2,832 pounds.
Wow.
Boy, can you carry a bunch of stuff on this?
Sure can.
Dry weight, 6,705 pounds. That's great.
Yeah.
Moving over to the front, you have two 20-pound propane tanks, electric jack to get it off your tow vehicle, spot for 2 batteries. So that's it for the outside. I know you want to see the inside, so let's go do it. We want to thank Chris and his entire team for having us here. If you like the RV that you've just seen, do us a favor, give them a call here at 602-441-4936. And make sure you tell them the tall man sent you. So we used to have a Grand Design 27BH, and this looks to us and feels, at least from this part, exactly like it. So when you first come in, you have your theater chairs. These are all manual, meaning you just hit the little button there and boom, it pops out, okay? Storage for your remotes and things, couple cup holders, all right? Directly across, you have your TV. We didn't have a fireplace, though. There's a fireplace underneath there for warming Lisa's freakishly tiny cold feet. Furrion audio system in here. There's some cabinetry as well. Okay, some storage. Speaking of cabinetry, there is a huge cabinet up here for storage.
That is definitely huge.
Adjustable shelves and solid.
Love that.
Absolutely love that.
And there's lighting inside as well.
It's motion censored too.
Nice.
Okay. Moving further in, you have a traditional RV dinette. Which means that can convert into a bed. You have drawers that pull out, but you can also get access from the top here. Okay, you have your normal RV accordion style blinds in here, and I love that there's valances all the way around too.
Yeah, me too.
Right?
These are huge windows.
They are really big, guys.
Yeah, a lot of times they're kind of squatty, but these are the full size of the RV.
Yep.
There. Love that.
Then we get into the kitchen, little L.
Yep. So we've got your pretty much standard countertop space here. You do have a large single basin sink, tall faucet. This actually has the cutting board and the drying rack with it.
Love that.
You've got your power over here. There's lighting on both sides. We have a 3-burner stove. We've got an oven. Above that, we've got our microwave. We've got cabinetry. That goes all the way back.
It'll be easier to see it.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't. It's not a pass-through on that side.
pass-through.
So yeah, we'll open that up so I can stick that in.
It goes all the way back.
All the way back there.
There you go.
Yeah, make use of all that stuff.
Yeah, and then underneath the sink, we've got huge storage underneath
And
there.
that goes all the way in too. Wow.
Yeah, and we have
Your
some
drawers.
storage drawers, which I am so challenged.
I don't know what's so hard about that.
I don't know. I don't know. And then we've got a refrigerator, freezer. At least I can get that open.
This is 12 volts. There's not a drawer in an RV Lisa can figure out how to open.
Not a one.
Nope. All right, up into the master. This is an RV King, if I remember correctly, but let's get a measurement on it for you guys. All right, so We are 72 by, drum roll, 80. Yes.
Woohoo!
RV
Yes,
King.
It is an RV King. A residential would be 76 by 80. So it's just a little bit skinnier than a residential.
So the whole bed area is wrapped by cabinetry. So you'll have hanging space up there. And you have a full pass-through storage for folded clothes up there. There's a spot down here, sort of a nightstand, if you want to call it, with power and USB on both sides.
Love that.
Yep. There's also, the mattress is actually off a little bit. It should be like right about that. So that side's got a little bit more.
There we go.
And there's storage underneath the bed as well.
All right. Look
It's all
at that.
finished off as
I
well.
love that it's finished.
Yep.
Yeah, that's awesome.
All right. So let's see. There's only one thing left to see, Lisa.
All right.
Let's go up here to this door. Full privacy doors. Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for
Tall Man's Toilet Test.
All right, if I haven't mentioned it yet, I am 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around the RV. Also, do us a huge favor. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that thumbs up button. It is free to you. It costs you absolutely nothing, and it really does help out the channel, and Lisa and I would sincerely appreciate it, okay? All right, at my height of 6'4", as you can see, there are 0 challenges with this toilet, which, by the way, is a porcelain foot flush toilet. So this is definitely, and to my right, nice kitchen sink area, which is great.
Kitchen sink?
Kitchen sink, yeah. I told you, it's going to be a long day.
You did.
Yeah. Bathroom sink, right, with a huge countertop space in here. So for all those lotion and potions, you got some power up there. You do have nice medicine cabinet up here.
Lots of space there.
Yeah, but no shelves. Really nice to see a shelf in there, I think. And then you got a little bit of storage down there. Over to the left of the toilet, there is actually a huge storage area for all your towels. You can roll them up and stack them 2 deep. Okay, how do I know that? Because that's what we do.
Yes, it is.
All right, let's get into this shower, Lisa.
All right.
All right, so, Houston, we're in the bowl.
Houston, we have a problem.
All right, ooh. 6'7", I would say max. You might be able to squeeze 6'8", but we're going to say 6'7" to be safe, okay? Outside of that, this skylight, I call it a bubble, is in the perfect spot, guys. I have full range of motion here in the shower. Additionally, the screws are also recessed, so even if I did hit my head here, I'm not going to bleed. I love that, okay? Shower head, you know, look, it can't be much higher because you wouldn't be able to lift it out of there. I mean, it could go a little bit higher, but it's okay for someone my height. You got 3 shelves in the front, which is great. It's a 30 by 36 sort of RV shower, and of course, they got my favorite door. DJ Robert. Or should I say DJ Tallman? Anyway, sorry about that, y'all. Yeah, let's know what you think of it. It's not too big. It's not too small. Lots of cargo carrying capacity from a weight standpoint. The light wood, you know, it's a love-hate thing, guys. Some people love the light colors. Some people hate the light colors. You know, you let us know what you think of the color scheme in here. Do you like the light, or would you rather be a little bit darker? The only thing that I would point out that I would really like to see, honestly, is a flip up right there, because that's typically where a trash can would go anyway.
Yes.
And that extra flip out would just give you that little extra countertop space you might need in the kitchen.
It does. I love having the little flip up countertops. It's just, you know, adds this much space to it.
It does.
You can put a dish drainer there, and then that clears up all of
Yeah.
the space over
Yeah.
here.
Outside of that, it's very familiar to us, so we obviously like it.
Yeah.
All right? Till we see you again somewhere on the road, be safe.